Hi kids, have you ever wondered how superheroes get their amazing power? Science helps us understand that cool stuff that happens in the world around us. Just like a superhero discovering their powers, science is like a superpower. It helps us to explore, ask questions, and find out how things work. Scientists are like real-life superheroes who make exciting discoveries every day. So, kids, put on your glasses and start experimenting. Remember, science is all about having fun and discovering new things, just like superhero. For experiment, you will need a plate, milk, food color, dish soap, cotton swab. Step number 1. Pour some milk into the dish. Step number 2. Add few drops of different food color into the milk. Step number 3. Dip a cotton swab into the dish soap. Step number 4. Touch the cotton swab to the milk and watch what happens. The colors will start to move and make amazing patterns. Why does this happen? Milk has fat in it. When the soap touches the milk, it breaks the fat. This causes the colors to move around in cool swirls and patterns. It's like creating a colorful explosion in your milk. Must try this with your kids at home.